Hello everyone, Aiden from BNTouch here, and today we have a very exciting walkthrough for you all. We have MAIA, our brand new Mortgage AI Assistant. That's what her name stands for, Mortgage AI Assistant. She is going to be a chat bot, a chat interface that will allow you to do a bunch of different things in your CRM. The most important thing I want to stress in this walkthrough is that MAIA, like any other brand new I want you to consider her like an infant. And our goal here is we are going to be teaching her, and she'll be growing over time. The more conversations she has, the more people she interacts with, the smarter she gets and the more that she learns. Okay, so this beta is very much to figure out what is and isn't working for you guys, what commands you'd like to see MAIA be able to do. Because right now we started her with a very select, a very basic amount of tasks that she can do, and again, we're going to roll those out over time. Okay. Eventually, she will be able to, send text messages for you, create new campaigns. You'll be able to access her on your phone from any device, from wherever you are. She'll be able to pull up information from you, on reoccurring basis, send you reports, things like that. But today we're just going to go through some basic functionality that we've tested that works with her, that's ready to go. And that's going to be number one, she can pull information for you, pretty much any information from the system, whether it's new leads, funded loans, loans that meet certain criteria, loan information for people based on specific names. We are going to then take some of that information, one of those records, and we're going to create a task in your calendar to remind you to call that person on a certain day at a certain time. And then the final thing we're going to do is we are going to start a campaign for one of those records. So she'll be, going into your system, giving you information, creating tasks, and starting campaigns. That's where we're starting with her for our basic functionality. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first cool thing about MAIA that you'll see is within this little window, because she's in that little tracker window, she'll follow you wherever you go on the CRM, right? Any page that you're on, you'll be able to access her and start your chats. So the first thing we are going to look up is simply what loans have funded this month. We want to, know how many loans and which ones have funded this month, so we can do a few things with them. So we're going to type show loans funded this month. Okay, so you'll see again, she's still learning, so she gave us a wrong response at first. I just typed it again. And you'll see here she gave us the 4 mortgage records that were closed this month, and then with the total amount. So you can see, how much was closed this month in the numerical value, and then she'll go through the 4 loans, right? This first one is the one we're going to be dealing with today. You'll see she gives us the loan number, the name of the borrower, Rusty Shackleford here, their email address, and then the status, right? They are application completed and funded. So we can you see this little link here, we can click more info, and this will bring us into the loan file for this person. All right, so now what we want to do is we have Rusty Shackleford, and we want to remind ourselves, because their loan just funded, we want to call them next week and set up a time, create a reminder to call them so we can congratulate them, or to ask how things are going and see if there's anything else they need from us, right? Whatever it is, we're going to set up a reminder, a task to call Rusty Shackleford. So we will do create task, right? That's the first thing that we want, the action we want to happen. Call Rusty Shackleford on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Okay? Boom, reminder, call Rusty Shackleford is set on the date and the time. So that is exciting stuff. So now we'll come back to our dashboard where we can get into our calendar. As what you'll see here, we're going to go to Wednesday, 2 p.m. There we go. We have call Rusty Shackleford right here, created at 2 p.m., the exact time we scheduled it. And again, if it's Tuesday today, if we said, call Rusty on Monday at 2 p.m., since Monday already happened this week, it'll actually set for the next coming Monday. So it'll always set for the next coming day that you have available. Cool, so that's exciting stuff. So now we want to also start a campaign. We have a new loan follow-up campaign. It's a drip campaign that goes over the next few years with loan anniversaries and new homeowner information and reminders and things like that, just to stay top of mind with our loans that have funded. So we're going to go back to our chat window here. We are going to say start campaign, right? That's the action we wanted to take. We're going to send and say the name of the campaign. Our campaign is called New Loan. We'll go ahead and it has capitals, so we'll just New Loan Follow Up is the name of our campaign. So you'd put in whatever the campaign name of yours is here for loan. And then I think the easiest way here is just to go by the loan number, because you can copy and paste it right out of there. It's even easier than typing the name of the person or the loan file name. So we can just copy and paste that in because we already had her pull that information for us. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter. So you see here, we made a little mistake when we were typing, and she let us know, right? So right here, we need to put the new follow-up in quotations. So then we just need to go new loan follow up. We put that in quotes, right? So she prompted us on what we did wrong in the prompt, and we're gonna hit enter. Boom. So that gives us the exact time that it was started. So now we should be able to go back into our mortgage records, and the new loan follow-up campaign should be started for Rusty Shackleford. All right, so now we're in Rusty Shackleford. We're going to go to campaigns. Boom, and there it is. We have the new loan follow-up already activated in this account. So we've just gone through, had them pull the information of all of our new funded loans. MAIA then created a task to call them the following day at 2 p.m. And then we started a new loan follow-up campaign all within a matter of minutes. We probably typed 30 words into there, and we've got all those tasks done right from our CRM in a chat window with our new chatbot. All right, so go ahead, please, guys, try this out. We want to know what's working for you, what's not, what prompts you'd like to see. Take a lot of screenshots, send us as much information as you can, and we will all work together to make this tool so beneficial for you guys. I promise this will change the way you guys interact with your mortgage CRMs, and you'll be able to do it from any device at any time. Thank you, and enjoy.